Hello, good morning students. Today we will be starting with a new subject, computer. You all have seen a computer. In this subject we will be studying the introduction of the computer, then what are the parts of the computer and uses of the computer, that where a computer is used. So this is the computer textbook, Reboot. You all have got it from the bookstore. Now let us start with this subject. This is the chapter 1, the computer, a machine. We will be starting with this chapter today. Now let us see. See, you can see a girl is standing over here. Now let us read over here. Hi, I am Tina. I am going to tell you about a very smart machine called the computer. But before we talk about machines and computers, let us understand the difference between natural and man-made things. See, things around us. All things can be divided into two groups, natural things and man-made things. Natural things are things that are available to us directly from nature. Examples are water and wood. Man-made things are things that are made by man using materials from nature. Examples are a fan, car and a pencil. See, now there are various things around us. See, in your room also there would be table, chair, fan, light. These are different things. But in things there are two groups. Which are they? Natural things and man-made things. What are natural things? Natural things are which we don't have to make, which are freely available directly from the nature. Like water, we don't have to make water. Wood is also available, it grows on the trees. These are natural things which are available directly, we don't have to make them. And the other is man-made things. What are man-made things? That we have to make. Man-made, that is the man has to make those things by the materials that are available from nature. Now see, wood is available from the nature, but from that we can prepare table, chair or door, then that is a man-made thing. See, a fan, car and pencil, these are man-made things. These are not available from the nature. They don't grow on the trees or they are not available directly from the nature. We have to make it. So these are man-made things. See, now next, a machine. Machines are things made by us humans. Thus, machines are man-made things. They make our work easier. We can find examples of machines in our homes. What are machines? They are man-made things. Are they available in the nature? Are they natural things? No. Human beings, we have to make it. They are man-made things. And what is the use of machine? They can make our work easier. See, which are the different examples of machines? See the first one, scissors. A scissors is a simple machine used to cut paper or cloth. Then toaster. A toaster is a machine used to make bread slices crisp and brown. Then car. A car is a machine used to travel from one place to another. We use a car outside the house. So these are some examples of a machine that are man-made and they help us. They make our work easier. Now, see on the next page. Now, see this. Mark a tick in the box next to each machine that is found in our homes. Okay, which we have to see. You can see the 4 boxes over here. What we have to do, we just have to tick in which the machines are found in our homes. See this washing machine. Do we have a washing machine at our home? Yes, we can find a washing machine at our home. So you have to tick it. We can find a washing machine at home. So you have to tick it. Fridge. This is a refrigerator. Can we find a refrigerator at our homes? Yes, we can find a refrigerator at our homes. So you have to tick it. Then airplane. Can we find an airplane at our home? No, we cannot. So we don't have to tick it. Then this is a truck. Do we find it at our homes? No. So we don't have to tick it. We just have to tick the machines that we find at our homes. And see, now this is the subject which we are studying, that is computer. The computer, a smart machine. Computer is also a machine. It helps to make our work easier, and it is also man-made. So now this, students, this is homework. What you have to do, you just have to join the dots and complete the picture. Then you have to color it. So just join the dots and see which picture is being formed. And now read this. This is a machine called a computer. When you will join the dots, what will be formed? It will be a computer. A computer helps us do many things. For example, it helps us draw pictures, solve sums, listen to music, and play games. This is why computer is a smart machine. In a computer, we can do all these things together. Right now, see, you are seeing this video. This video I am also preparing with the help of a computer. So in the computer, we can do so many things together. So computer is called a smart machine. So students, see this in their textbook and complete this in their textbook, and then in the next class we will continue about the types of computer. Okay students, so we will meet in the next class.